Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lauren, and if you're new to my channel, you're welcome and I am so excited to meet you. Today we'll be doing a song by Eurythmics titled Here Comes the Rain Again. Okay? Eurythmics, Annie, Lennox, Dave, Stewart. Okay? Here Comes the Rain Again. Alright. Don't forget to let me know what you think about the song right under the comment section. And also, tell me, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the notification bell so you don't miss out whenever I upload my new videos. So, without wasting your time, let's check this song out, guys. Okay, what should I expect? Okay. I'm seeing a stream. I'm seeing a river. I'm a bird. I'm not seeing rain.
Here comes the rain again, falling on my head like a memory, falling on my head like a new emotion. I want to walk in the open wind. I want to talk like lovers do. Want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you? So baby, talk to me like lovers do. Walk with me like lovers do. Talk to me like lovers do.
Okay, guys, for a second, I think I am lost, trying to figure out what this song is about. I don't know if it's an expression of a feeling of love, or if it's an expression of nature. I'm trying to, figure out what the song is about, really. Although I love the song, I love the voice, I love the lyrics, I love the harmony of the song, but I am still lost. I'm still lost to what the song is about. I'm trying to figure out the emotions and the inspiration behind the song. Don't forget to let me know what you think about this song, because I am totally lost, really.
Here comes the rain again, raining in my head like a tragedy, tearing me apart like a new emotion. I want to breathe in the open wind. I want to keep.
Okay, here comes the rain again, raining in my head like an emotion. Okay, I think it's this is an expression of emotions and not really an expression of nature. It's a kind of it's like a figure of speech, I guess. Trying to present your feelings and emotion using nature. So I think she's trying to depict what she feels inside. Comparison is it's more like a direct comparison between what she feels inside and what it feels like when it's really physically rains on you. So I guess it's just a direct comparison. I think I'm finding my way out. Don't forget to let me know what you think about this song as well.
It's like lovers do. Want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you? So baby, talk to me like lovers do. Walk with me like lovers do. Talk to me like lovers do.
Wow, that was quite a great performance back there. You know, I can't help but feel this loneliness, this longing, this emptiness. You know, I don't know, but that's how I feel. You know, I don't know what you think about it, but really, that's how I feel after listening to this song. But nevertheless, I love the song. I love the way the video is blending with the song and with the lyrics. You know, it's really, really great. I love it. You know, I love it. You know, the way she tried to, depict her pain with some direct comparison with nature is really incredible. Don't forget to let me know what you think about the song right in the comment section, and let me know what you feel about the inspiration behind this song. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video. Until my next video, I remain your girl Lauren. Bye.